Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome to my channel. In this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your t-shirt using something you already have at home. Since we're in summer, we're going to be seeing a lot of variations of t-shirts and polos. So for my t-shirt, I'm going to create a bullseye effect using a cotton African print just to make it stand out. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. To begin, I have my ready-made black t-shirt from Primark. You can use any t-shirt you want. Some circular patterns that I cut out from cardboard boxes. I used different sizes of plates to cut this out, a pair of scissors, and this beautiful tribal cotton African print. So for this circular template, I cut out 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. I'm going to use the medium template to cut out a hole at the center of the t-shirt. Then I'm going to use the large template to cut out a circle with the African print, which is going to replace the hole that I cut out. Finally, I'm going to use the smallest template to trim down the medium fabric that I cut out from the t-shirt. So by the time I layer the smallest on the largest, my African print will peak round. Don't worry, you would understand better when I start. To begin, I'm going to take my t-shirt, fold it in half and iron it so I can find the midpoint. Once I get the midpoint, I'm going to decide where I'm going to place the medium template. Once I'm done, I'm going to measure 5.5 inches from the tip of the neckband. This is where the medium template will start from. Also, I need to ensure that it is properly centered so they are equally spaced out on the right and left sides. Once I'm done, I'm going to outline the circle on my t-shirt, then cut it out. Please make sure that you are cutting only the front piece, or else you're going to have 2 big holes at the front and at the back. Once I'm done, this is what I have. Next, I'm going to take the largest template and cut out the African print. Because the largest template is wider than the hole, which is the medium size, this automatically gives us seam allowance to work with when we're covering the hole. So I'm going to cover the hole with the African print and pin it down. I'm going to take my time when I'm doing this so I don't misshape the circle or stretch it. Once I'm done, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it down right at the edge, just like a top stitch. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to take the smallest template and use it to reduce the medium circle t-shirt fabric that I cut out, just like so. Once I'm done, I'm going to place it right at the center of the African print. As you can see, it creates a bullseye effect. Once I'm satisfied with the placement, I'm going to pin it down and then sew right at the edge, just like a top stitch. Once I was done, I decided last minute to cut out a smaller fabric to place on the black one, just to give it more effect. You can keep layering up if you want, it's all up to you. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and top stitch again. Once I'm done, this is the final look. I absolutely love it. It is fun, bright, unique, and ready for summer. I added some squares to the tip of the sleeves as well, just to jazz it up. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.